At Sailrite, we're a passionate crew of do-it-yourselfers who strive to equip and empower others to DIY for their own boats and homes. Located just east of Columbia City on US 30, we are your one-stop retailer for fabric, tools, hardware, sewing supplies, and the world-famous Sailrite sewing machines. The majority of our business comes from online sales, which are driven from our fantastic website. Our extensive how-to selection empowers shoppers with the knowledge they need to make outdoor and indoor fabric projects come to life. From indoor and outdoor fabrics to foam for your next seating or cushion project, we have the supplies in stock and have the means to efficiently ship them around the world. We serve boaters for canvas and sailing supplies, from sails, biminis, dodgers, and to the fasteners and hardware required. But our offerings cater to so much more, including fabrics for homes, businesses, and outdoor living spaces. To make any fabric project a success, a good sewing machine is required. Columbia City, Indiana is home of the world-famous Sailrite ultra-feed sewing machines. Our dedicated sewing machine technicians assemble and build each of the Sailrite sewing machines and thoroughly test them before they are shipped. Our crew of more than 70 employees can typically pick and ship an online order in 1 to 2 business days. Our quick service is mostly due to the fact that we try to stock everything we sell so it's ready to ship. If you're a DIYer that's looking for fabric and supplies for powerboats, pontoons, outdoor living, home decor, and automotive, check out our website or give us a call. We're glad to help. Thanks to you, our customers, Sailrite is now celebrating 50 years of business.